Engineering at Airports, with Stephen the Engineer. Flying pigs? Fairy tales? Superheroes? Comic book stuff? A 200-ton hunk of metal soaring through the sky? Absolutely normal. And you thought gravity was non-negotiable. Today, we're exposing the magic behind the seemingly impossible, the physics and engineering of flight. It's not sorcery, it's science. Let's start at the beginning. You're in an aircraft, taxiing down the runway. The engines roar, and you're pushed back into your seat. Before you know it, you're airborne. But what just happened? One word: lift. Lift is the superhero of the flight world, the force that defies gravity. It's all thanks to a genius named Bernoulli and his principle that states, faster moving air creates less pressure than slower moving air. The wings, or airfoils as we nerds call them, are designed to maximize this principle. They're shaped so that air moves faster over the top than the bottom, creating lift. It's like invisible hands pushing the plane up into the sky. But lift is only part of the story. Four forces play tug-of-war during flight: lift versus gravity, and thrust versus drag. If you ever played tug-of-war, you know the key to victory is balance. Similarly, maintaining the delicate balance between these forces is crucial for a smooth flight. But enough of the theory. Let's jump into the cockpit. You've seen those movies with pilots pulling and pushing all sorts of buttons and levers, right? Each one of these controls parts of the aircraft to manage these forces. Flaps, ailerons, elevators, rudder. No, these aren't names of some exotic dishes. These are what pilots tweak to control the aircraft's motion. Still with me? Good, because here's the jaw-dropper. The future of flight engineering is poised for some gravity-defying leaps. Think of planes that morph their shape mid-flight or aircraft using electric propulsion. Yes, it sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's happening, and sooner than you think. So, the next time you step on a plane, take a moment to marvel at the sheer genius that's going into keeping you aloft. It's not just physics. It's not just engineering. It's a blend of both, a symphony of science that takes you places literally. And as for what's next in the engineering and physics of flight, well, it's going to be a wild ride, and we can't wait to see it.